How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to teach you how to fix this problem, activation lock. You may see a screen like that saying iPhone lock to owner. Maybe you see something like this saying activation lock. As you can see, this is a big problem. With this, you just can't use an iPhone. Well, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix this, remove activation lock the official way. All we're gonna do in this video comes straight from Apple, and we're actually gonna use Apple support in order to remove activation lock the official way. Let's begin. Okay, so we actually have two scenarios for a situation like that. Number one, the Apple account you're seeing here or here is actually yours. You own the Apple account, it's your Apple account, but maybe you don't remember the complete email or the password, so you just can't get in. Or scenario number two, the Apple account you're seeing here is not even yours. It's from a previous owner and you have no idea of the credentials, the email or password, the credentials. It doesn't matter which scenario it is, I'm gonna show you how to get rid of it. Okay, so step number one, you're gonna need a device. So it can be a secondary device, like another phone you have laying around, a computer. You can borrow a phone or a computer from somebody else. It doesn't even have to be yours. So just get a device with internet connection, because the whole process is gonna be done via a browser, via a website, okay? So grab that other device, go ahead and open up any browser for that matter, and then go to this website. Of course, I'm gonna have a direct link in the description. So as you can see right here is a dedicated website to turn off activation lock from Apple, official Apple support, as you can see. Okay, so if you are in scenario number one, it's your Apple account, your iPhone has activation lock, but you just don't remember your Apple account credentials. No problem, you can tap on this very first link right here. So reset your password at iforgot.com. You have here a dedicated website, and then tap here and follow the steps to reset your password. It's gonna be super simple, and you're gonna be doing it from Apple support as well. Okay, now let's come back and let's talk about scenario number two, which is the most common. So if we scroll down, right here, it's talking about additional support. So start an activation lock support request. That's it. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and select here for a personally owned device, which is the majority of scenarios, okay? So if you are just an individual, so it's not from a company phone, all right? Go ahead here and tap on this very first option, and then right here we're gonna request additional support for unlocking your device. And this is very important because we're gonna actually need to have a few information. So as you can see, it will ask you for proof of purchase. Apple will ask you that, of course. And of course, information like IMEI, and as you can see, so on. Your data on this device will be erased. So of course, in order to remove activation lock, just as a security feature, Apple will remotely erase the phone completely, the phone that's locked, of course. And as you can see, they won't be able to unlock a managed device. So if it's from another institution, they won't be able to do that, of course. And the phone cannot be in lost mode naturally, because it means that the phone was actually lost. So Apple won't do that in this case. So let's go ahead and continue right here. You can agree, continue, and then as you can see, you're just gonna fill out the information. So your email address, the serial number, you can find the serial number in the box, okay? And also inside the iPhone settings, it's super easy to find as well. And right here, you're gonna enter the rest of the information, continue with the process, and of course, Apple will ask you for proof of purchase and additional information as well. I'm not gonna go through because it's not the case on my iPhone, so there will be an error, but in your case, that's it. So as you can see, it's super easy. You'll be able, regardless of the situation or your scenario, to remove the activation lock if you forgot your Apple account, or if you just bought this phone from somebody else and that person just forgot, or for any other reason, to remove their Apple account. You'll be able to do that straight with Apple. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video as usual, guys. Bye bye.